order to teach, you gotta connect. You guys, we just hosted an 8-year-old birthday party. I want to look nice. I want to smell nice. I gotta get this room together. I don't think I've talked to you today. Oh, look at that. It looks like I have black stuff under my eye. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I just came from my training. It was really good. It was kind of about social emotional learning. So really something that I can apply in the classroom and at home and just everywhere. So that was good. Here was my outfit of the day, you guys. Just a cute, this is all Banana Republic except the shoes. So this little shirt and this outfit was probably under $20, the whole outfit, with the exception of the shoes. Good, huh? My shop's on a budget. I like it. To come in really quickly. So today I went to my, well, the place where I get like facials. I've only had one facial there, but I plan on going back because they're good. They have all organic products. So I asked her about a cleanser and she recommended this Eminence Stone Crop Oxygenating, whatever that says, Fizoliant. She said I can use it twice a day. So it's kind of like an exfoliant, but it's gentle enough to use every day. And then after that, I really went over there because I wanted the serum that I had ran out of. I had got this last time and I loved it. It's the Bright Skin Licorice Booster Serum. So I got both of those and I just washed my face. And when I tell you how soft my face is, oh my gosh. I still got blemishes. Don't get me wrong, but it's soft. Oh, wow. This is not how I left it. Morning, y'all. I am back in my classroom because I have a training today. And I'm just looking around like, I don't know. We still got a few more days before school starts, but I gotta get this room together. Hi guys. So I had another training today and for lunch, they gave us like a little box lunch. And the food, it was a sandwich, but it was like ham or something, and I don't eat ham or, I don't know, salami. I would have ate the turkey, but anyway, so point is, I haven't really eaten all day. I just kind of had some fruit, some granola. So I'm at Burger King getting an Impossible Whopper with a Sprite and some fries. Look at my eyes. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so I hope your day was well. The training was really good. It was called Capturing Kids' Hearts, and I have to go tomorrow as well. But it was just talking, it was giving us like leadership skills and how to connect with our students. It kind of reflects the one that I did on Monday, to be honest. It's like, you know, in order to teach, you gotta connect. There has to be a connection. So that's what it was talking about. Really helpful though. Stuff that you could use for the classroom and things that you can use for home. So I learned a lot. I'll go back tomorrow. Only bad thing, it was from like 8 to 3. And y'all know I leave work at like 2:30. It was just a long day. It was a long day. The room was freezing cold. But if it was hot, probably would have dozed off, right? So anyway, it was good. All right, let me get my food.
Hello, are you home pickup?
Yes, the Whopper Impossible Meal. Thank you. Y'all, these fries are so, let me turn around. These fries are so hot. and good. I don't come to Burger King a lot, but when I do, they fries always be hot. And I appreciate that. I really do. Saturday. You guys, we just hosted an 8-year-old birthday party for like a family member. And I was inside though because it was hot, but it was a lot of, no, it wasn't a lot, maybe like 10 to 12 little kids. They asked if they could have it here because we have a pool and, you know, we can, luckily we can accommodate, you know, large groups. So we did, but guess what? I'm tired now. I'm about to take a shower and eat dinner and watch Housewives and go to bed. To the another training. Maybe I should sit back like this. Anyway, okay. I was like, dang, that's close. So I got up, not wanting to get up because it's Monday. And so I've been doing like Bible study. Usually, like during the school year, I'll do my Bible study in the evenings. I'm sorry, in the mornings before I go to work. But during the summer, I've been doing it in the evenings. But this morning, I just read the Bible app. Just really quick, you know how they put those little phrases up? And it said, with everything you do, I'm paraphrasing. So anything that you do it for the glory of God. So I was just like, God, I don't want to go to this training. But I'm going to just do it and I'm going to participate. You know, you just give basically you give 100% at everything. So when you go into this training, just go, listen, be a good participant. When I got dressed this morning, put my makeup on, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to look the best that I can. That's just, I don't know. That just, you know, I want to look nice. I want to smell nice. I want to present myself nice. Just everything that you do it at 100%. So I thought that was really valid today, especially on this Monday morning when you really don't want to like get up, but it's just like, you know, whatever you're doing, do it for the glory of God. I hope I'm saying it right. If not, I'll put it on the screen. You guys know what I'm saying though. All right, let me go to this training. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. It's like all the stores are the same. Okay, so anyway, I'm getting myself together for work. Let me show you what I'm packing for my lunch. I got some soup that I made the other day. It is like 13 bean soup by Bob's Red Mill. And then I got my overnight oats and I'm about to cut up an apple and put that in there. Suja drink that I'll take, and then I don't have a big container for water, so I just fill both of those up with 2, and that is it. Y'all, look at my cute little lunchbox that I got from Target. So anyway, I like it because it fits like a juice, my little container, and all that. So, all right. First day of school, you guys. I am almost there. You know what? So California, I don't know if it's like this in other states, but California made a law to where you cannot, like high school, for instance, because I teach high school, they can't start earlier than 8:30. So now I don't start till 8:30, whereas last year I started at 7:30. So I'm like, gosh darn it. They did a study and they were just saying that the kids perform better academically if they start school later because they can get more sleep at night, which I feel like the kids will just stay up later. I just don't. So anyway, we start later, we get out a little later. So that's the first year of that. I am such an early bird where I like to get up early. So starting at 8:30, I'm like, this is late, but I'm sure I will adjust. Anyway,